Hello YouTube, this is my review of the Web Plus X5 program, which costs £90 from Serif.com. Basically, Web Plus X5 allows you to design websites, so I'm going to basically review the program and tell you what it's like. So here's a website I've been designing with Web Plus X5, and you can view this website on aaronrice.com. So here it is so far. There's an update, I'll just cancel that. So this is the website I've been designing with Serif so far, selling the web design, and I've managed to make my own menu bar, logo, and I've already installed PayPal onto the website. So if I click Startup Wizard, use new template, I'm going to pick a new template that I want my website to look like. So for instance, if I want a website with this template here, I'll just open this. You can also design websites from scratch, but it takes longer, so I'm just going to use a template for your sake. Okay, so here's a template, it's just loaded, still loading. Okay, so this is a template so far. And at the moment, this is what the website would look like on the internet. I just click File, Preview Site in Google Chrome. So it's just loading. So it's just loading, just give it a minute. I don't know why it's taking so long to load. Oh, here we go. So this is what the website looks like in Google Chrome at the moment. Obviously it's not been published, it's just in my C folder. So this is the website, what it looks like so far, and this is just the bog standard template. So if I click back onto Serif, I can click Master Pages, and then with the master in here, I can edit the title for every page and edit the menu bar for every page. So I can change the number here, so I just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then yeah, I can edit the title and what have you. So I just click on the main website page and you can see that's changed the number there for every single page. So you can still see that number's there because it's on the master. And if I want to create a navigation bar, I would drag the navigation bar widget onto the thing, and I get to pick from all these different types of navigation bars. So I'll just pick one. Okay, so So I've picked a navigation bar, and then I get to pick the appearance of the bar and everything, and the pop-up menus, and I just click OK, and then I can add that to the site, say here. I'll just have to move all this out of the way. I'll just get rid of that. So there's the navigation bar. That navigation bar if I wanted to, and if I want to add PayPal to the website, I click the e-commerce section and then insert an object. So I click PayPal. Next, I've already got my PayPal email in there. I don't want to use the PayPal mini chart. Yes, use default account, and then I'm going to find a buy now button. There's already loads of buy now buttons installed in Web Plus X5. So here we go, there's a button. Then I click the item name, so I'm just going to put sample 1. Item ID, I'm just going to put 1. Price, I'm going to have it as $50. And I can also like have the currency in there as well, but I'm just going to put US dollars. I click next. You can add an image onto the PayPal checkout, but I'm not going to bother with that. You can also have other multiple choice options in there. You can set the default quantity, but I'm not going to do that. And then yeah, just ignore that. And then you get to pick the checkout style. If you have your own, you can add that there. And then you can have the successful payment page. So that's where once a user buys it, you get sent to that page where you can download your product or whatever. So yeah, and then I can insert that PayPal widget onto the website. So if I click preview site in Google Chrome, this will just take a minute. Just wait for this, it'll take about a minute to do. So it's just publishing the website now. Just take a minute. There we go. So as you can see, I've got the new menu bar in there. But the PayPal thing, this should all work, and it should be sending me to a checkout page. So it's as simple as that really. You can, with Serif, you can design really good websites with simple templates really. So this is a website I've made with Serif Plus X5. It's just a website that I haven't completed yet, but this is all made on Serif, and this is online. So if you want to go to aaronrice.com, you can view the website that I've made with Serif so far. So okay. And there's loads of other options you can use. You can add text boxes, music, videos. You can also add YouTube videos, different pages, photo galleries. There's so much to choose from, and I'd really recommend buying it for the price of £90, which is about $180 or so. You can also add tables, you can add all sorts, you can add contact forms, which I'll show you here. There's a contact form there, and you can configure all that with the Web Plus settings. You can insert anything really. You can insert like a site search area. So if I go onto aaronrice.com, the website that I've made with Serif, it's got its own little search engine in there. So that's quite easy to configure really. And that's basically my review of Serif Web Plus X5. It's a really good product, and I recommend buying it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.